Stunning all-brick home in Knoxville. This custom-built home has so much more that meets the eye. The home sits on 1.25 acres, features black frame windows, soffit lighting, and extra-large driveway. The custom finishes are striking from the moment you walk through the wrought iron double front door. 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths fill the home on the main level, with the master featuring vaulted tray ceilings and gorgeous ensuite with tile walk-in shower, double granite vanity, and designer tub. The main living areas are complete with warm hardwood floors, gray crown molding and premium paint throughout. A built-in electric fireplace, trim lighting, and vaulted ceilings accent the living room that open to the oversized kitchen. This stunning kitchen has premium appliances including a 4-door fridge, multi-function sink with pot filler, and Wi-Fi stove. Storage space is abundant with built-in spice drawers, deep drawers, and huge pantry. Leather granite countertops, built-in underlighting and shining chandeliers highlight the master kitchen. The basement has cathedral ceilings with 8 fans, complete with a kitchenette and full bath. A safe room with steel door and usable clean crawl space with outlets allow for even more space in this home. You do not want to miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime home. If you want to see all the amazing finished and customizations, you will have to come see it for yourself. For more information, review the details below.